Hey, it's JJ. Today we're going to talk about ingrown beard hairs. They can be a nightmare, they can ruin your day and they can ruin your confidence. An ingrown beard hair may appear like a huge spot, which can be quite painful at times. So, what is an ingrown beard hair? Well, it's a hair that has been grown out, but it's curved back in and it's grown back into the pore. Hair is supposed to sprout out from the pore, as you know, and continue growing outwards, away from your skin. But sometimes hair can turn back in itself and grow into the pore again. Other times, dead skin cells, they can clog the pore and it causes this new hair to grow sideways under the skin. This will result in inflammation, pain, and in extreme cases, it can become infected, which, as you know, that's going to be painful. So, what causes ingrown beard hairs to develop? People with curly facial hair may experience ingrown hairs more than others, because of the new hair's tendency to curl back into the skin. Ingrown hairs are common, especially after being freshly shaved too. There's little bumps that appear, they're called razor bumps. Dead skin cells and grime on the skin can block new hair from growing out as normal. This hair will continue to grow, but it will grow sideways or downwards instead, resulting in painful ingrown hair. Anyone can suffer from an ingrown beard hair, not just people who shave. Remember, hair grows through cycles. It goes through cycles of regeneration. To avoid ingrown hairs, as mentioned before, dead skin cells and grime on the skin, they can prevent the hair from growing as normal. So, a good beard and skincare routine will massively reduce your chances of developing ingrown hairs. One of the best tools you can use is a good beard brush, like the Braw one. The Braw beard brush is a medium strength bristles. Too firm a brush can damage the pores in the hair, can tear the hair up. So our medium strength bristles act as a great exfoliation tool. They can remove the dead skin cells and grime from your pores, as well as brushing your facial hair. This reduces dandruff, irritation, and it clears the pores to allow the hair to grow as intended. So it can help. It can help against the ingrown hairs there. Always brush from root at the skin to the tip for your best results. Always brush away from your face. Daily use of BrawBeard oil will moisturise the skin, keeping it supple and provide the best opportunity for new hair in the anagen stage to grow as expected. Using BrawBeard oil will moisturise the skin, preventing it from blocking pores. So, how to treat ingrown facial hair? If you currently have ingrown hair that is infected or that is really bothering you, first of all, get advice from your doctor. If you have a mild ingrown hair, using a warm compress for 15 minutes twice daily will open up the pores, and after a few days it may allow the hair to continue growing again. Just hold a warm compress, warm cloth against your hair for 15 minutes. So yeah, I hope this video has helped explain ingrown beard hairs, what they are, what can cause them, and potential ways to get around or to avoid getting them. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this has helped. If you did like the video, please hit the like button, please hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down. And leave me some feedback in the comments. As always, I appreciate your support. If you think anyone of your friends will benefit from watching this video, please do share it online. I appreciate your support, and all that's left to say is have a good day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. See ya.